Here we are discussing what is formal arguments and actual arguments. Here in this case, num1 and num2 are actual arguments, and we are passing 56 and 78. And x and y are formal arguments. After calculating the result, it is giving 134. The value we are giving are actual arguments. The value inside a function definition is formal argument. Here r is equal to sum, we are calling without any value. Then the default values 3 and 4 will be added and will give result 7. We are calling r is equal to sum, x is equal to 4. Then x value will be 4, y value 4, then result will be 8. If we are passing value y is equal to 45, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 45, by adding them 48 will be the result. Here we are passing variable length arguments, and in variable length argument we can give any number of arguments. Here we are giving 3, 70, 60 and 50, addition will be 180. Here we are giving 4 and 5 and addition will be 9. Mutable and immutable type of data. Everything in Python is an object. Every variable holds an object instance. Mutable object can be changed after it is created, and immutable object cannot be changed after it is created. Mutable objects, example list, dictionary, set, byte array, and immutable type of examples integer, float, complex, string, tuple, Trojan set and bytes. We will discuss mutable and immutable in detail. In immutable type of data, each time we change the value, the variable's address will change. Here we are storing a is equal to 5, b is equal to a means b is also equal to 5, c is equal to 5. They reside in memory location 208. A, B, C, 3 of them are storing value 5. If we change the value of A, B, C, the addresses also changes. A is equal to 9, stored in memory location 272. B and C storing value 8 and their address is 256. Integer, float, complex, string, tuple are the examples of immutable type of data. Mutability means the value will be stored in the same location if the value will change. Data 1 is storing 5, 8 and 10. Data 0 is equal to 5. Data 1 is equal to 8. Data 2 is equal to 90. If we change the value of data 1, 0, we are having 78. Then data 1 will be, instead of 5, 78 will be written 8 and 90. Pass a list to a function. Actually, array in Python is list. Here we are passing 1, 2, 3, red, green, blue, and list is mutable type of data. It is treated as pass by reference. We will get the output 1, 2, 3, red, green, blue. We can pass a string as an argument to a function. Here we are passing Milan, and inside the function title is equal to hello plus title. Then output will be hello Milan. If you will call the value with Milan, then output will be Milan. Here we can pass a tuple to a function. Here we are calculating the maximum number in a tuple, the max value in a tuple. Here we are passing 13 and 10 and max value will be 13. We can pass a dictionary to a function. We are giving key and value. In this case, m is the key and 1 is the value, n is the key and 2 is the value, o is the key and 3 is the value. Output will be, we can pass mathematical functions also. Mathematical functions are available in math module. Here we are calculating r is equal to math dot square root of 4. We have to import math. After functions, string functions are available in Python module. Here we are capitalizing the first letter. Output will be small I will convert to capital I. I love programming. Now we'll discuss some more string functions. Capitalize will convert the first character to uppercase. Case fold will convert the string into lowercase. Center returns a centered string. Count will return the number of times a specific value occurs in a string. Encode will encode the string. Ends with returns true if the string ends with a specific value. Find searches for a specific value and returns the position, format, specified values in a string. Index will returns the position where the particular string is found. We are again recapitulating what is a function. We are giving two values and it is calculating addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and remainder. If 56 and 7 are input, after adding 63, then subtracting 49, product 392, division 8.0. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.